Ever wondered how to level up your conversations on Telegram by adding fun, unique, or hilarious stickers? In today's tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to add sticker packs to your collection, so you can express yourself with just the right touch of personality. Whether you want a pack someone shared with you, or you're on the hunt for something new, by the end of this video, you'll know every way to expand your sticker library step by step. Let's dive right in with the fastest method. When someone sends you a sticker you like, imagine you're chatting with a friend and they drop a sticker that just cracks you up, or maybe it's too cute to pass up. All you have to do is tap that sticker once right in your chat. This opens a preview window showing you the whole pack. It's basically like flipping through a mini sticker album. Take a look at the collection. If you like what you see, tap the button at the bottom labeled Add Stickers. Instantly, the entire pack is saved to your personal sticker collection and ready to use. It's as simple as that, one tap and you're done. Don't worry if you accidentally choose a pack you're not sure about. Removing packs is super easy, and I'll show you that in a moment. Now, what if you're craving something new or you want to browse the latest popular packs? Telegram makes this super accessible right inside the app. Open any chat, yes, any chat, and tap the emoji or smiley icon next to where you type messages. You'll see different tabs at the bottom of this menu. Switch over to the sticker tab, usually the second or third icon at the bottom. Here, look for the little plus icon, go ahead and tap that. This opens up Telegram, trending stickers, or browse menu where you can explore what's gaining popularity all over the world. If you see a sticker pack that catches your eye, just tap Add next to it. Telegram loves to curate fun sticker sets from seasonal specialties to meme favorites, and you'll always find something new. This whole process takes just a few taps. Let's say you have something particular in mind. Maybe you want cat stickers for your feline-themed group. In the sticker panel where you usually pick your favorite stickers, scroll all the way down until a search bar appears. Type a keyword like adventure, anime, or dog, and Telegram will show you user-created packs that match. This is the best way to discover niche or unique sticker sets that might not show up in the main trending tab. Once you spot a pack you love, just tap Add to instantly bring it into your collection. Here's another situation. Maybe you discover a sticker pack link while you're scrolling through social media or blogs. It might look like me/addstickers/pack name. Simply click that link on any device where you're logged into Telegram. The app will automatically launch, display a preview of the sticker set, and all you have to do is tap Add Stickers. This is perfect if you see sticker recommendations online or want to share packs with friends. So what about managing your growing collection? Don't worry, organizing stickers is a breeze. Head to Settings, then Chat Settings, and choose Stickers and Emoji. This is found on both Android and iOS, though the menus look slightly different. Here you'll see a list of all your packs. Drag them up or down to reorder, making your most used packs easy to reach. If you want to say goodbye to a pack, just tap the three dots next to it and choose Remove or Archive. It's like tidying up your desk, keeping only the stickers that spark joy. And that's it. You're now a sticker adding pro on Telegram, ready to make your chats more colorful and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have questions or favorite sticker packs to recommend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and have fun expressing yourself, one sticker at a time.